Hello and welcome to TNB Academy, your trusted destination for mastering the standards that shape our world. Today we are diving deep into a hot and often confusing topic, challenges in implementing ISO 37151 and how to overcome them. If you are involved in smart city planning, energy, infrastructure or urban development, you cannot afford to miss this episode. Yes, ISO 37151 is an incredible framework for performance indicators of smart community infrastructures. But let's face it, implementing it, not a walk in the park. There are technical, organizational, financial, and even political roadblocks along the way. But worry not, by the end of this video, you will not only understand what those challenges are, but also how to tackle them smartly. Introduction to ISO 37151. Let's first set the stage. ISO 37151 provides a framework to assess and optimize the performance of community infrastructure in areas like energy, transportation, water, and ICT. Its goal? To build cities that are smart, resilient, sustainable, and people-friendly. It defines 14 performance indicators grouped under 6 purposes, such as environmental preservation, security, comfort, economic vitality, ease of movement, and disaster resilience. Sounds amazing, right? But as the saying goes, the devil is in the details. The top challenges. Now let's break down the major hurdles organizations face when trying to implement ISO 37151. Lack of awareness and understanding. Most stakeholders, from local authorities to urban planners, have limited exposure to ISO 37151. What is the result? Misinterpretations, lack of ownership, and missed opportunities. Solution for this? Conduct training sessions and stakeholder workshops, use case studies from other smart cities, translate technical content into layman's language for better reach. Data collection is complicated. Collecting performance data for 14 indicators is a huge task. Data might be siloed across departments, outdated, or simply non-existing. Solution for this is use smart sensors and IoT devices to capture real-time data. Establish a centralized urban data repository. Partner with academic institutions for baseline data research. Integration across departments. Smart community infrastructure spans multiple sectors: transportation, energy, water, ICT. Unfortunately, these departments often operate in isolation. Solution? Form a cross-functional ISO 37151 task force, appoint an implementation coordinator, create shared KPIs that reflect collective performance. High implementation cost. Implementing ISO 37151 might require new technology, consultants, and workforce training, all of which cost money. Solution for this? Start small with pilot projects. Seek grants, green funding, and PPPs, that is public-private partnerships. Show decision makers the long-term ROI, energy savings, better citizen satisfaction, and resilience to disasters. Resistance to change. The fear of change can cripple implementation. People may view ISO 37151 as just another audit or fear it will increase their workload. Solution? Use change management strategies. Involve teams in the planning phase. Celebrate quick wins to build momentum. Lack of customization for local needs. Many cities find that ISO 37151 feels too generic. They don't know how to tailor it to their unique challenges, like slum redevelopment or rural-urban integration. Solution? Use the flexibility of ISO standards to adapt performance indicators to local context. Include community feedback and ground-level data. Absence of a monitoring culture. Even if implementation starts strong, it fizzles out because there is no culture of ongoing performance evaluation. Solution? Use dashboards and visual KPIs for public and internal reporting. Align ISO 37151 metrics with existing review cycles like annual budgeting or sustainability reporting. Real case examples. Let's look at some global success stories and how they overcame these hurdles. Case 1. Yokohama, Japan. Challenge integrating energy, water, and ICT performance. They used smart meters and real-time dashboards to unify data from various sectors. Case 2. Barcelona, Spain. Challenge public resistance and awareness. They used interactive citizen portals and community radio to create awareness and inclusion. Case 3. Pune, India. Challenge cost and funding issues. They implemented ISO 37151 in phases, leveraging smart city mission funding and private partnerships. Strategies to ensure smooth implementation. Here are some universal strategies to keep your ISO 37151 implementation on track. Conduct a readiness assessment. Use a gap analysis checklist to identify your current status versus ISO requirements. Involve the community. Use town halls, polls, and citizen engagement forums. People will support what they help create. Use digital tools. From GIS mapping to urban performance apps, digital platforms can simplify tracking and compliance. Establish feedback loops. ISO 37151 isn't a one-time event. Build a loop of review, recalibration, and re-implementation. Appoint a champion. Having a senior leader who owns the ISO 37151 vision can drive commitment across departments. And there you have it, a complete roadmap of the most common challenges in ISO 37151 implementation and the tools to overcome them. Yes, it is tough. Yes, it requires effort and collaboration. But remember, smart cities don't happen by accident. They are built by smart decisions, powerful tools, and unified people. If you found this video insightful, like and share it with your urban planning, engineering, and sustainability teams. Don't forget to subscribe to TNV Academy for deep dives into ISO standards every week. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. Want us to cover another ISO standard? Let us know. Until next time, stay smart, stay sustainable.